Welcome back to Pingree Projects. Today we are doing the foundation portion of our shop build. It's a 30 by 30 shop. It took us about 40 yards of concrete to pour, and we did a 6-bag mix. Overall, everything went pretty well with it. We have our own power trowel, and we kind of jimmy rigged a power screed that worked pretty well. We were lucky to have a neighbor that lent us a bull float that we were able to use to help get a better finish on it. But yeah, this portion's just us digging out the foundation, putting in the rebar, vapor barrier, the compacted gravel, and then pouring it. And everything seemed to turn out pretty decent. So we were in a big hurry this morning, and that is why we didn't get any video of us pouring. So my wife and I did this pour. It ended up being just shy of 40 yards of concrete for our 30 by 30 shop that we're building. And we used this little vibro screed, like 200 something dollars on Amazon, that we bolted to this 16-foot 2x6. And then we had a cable running across the center that we used as kind of a screed board type thing. We definitely needed to use a few more kickers for holding the concrete. It did a little bit of bowing on some of the sides. But overall, pretty pleased. We had a really nice neighbor that lent us his bull float, so we were able to run over that a couple times. And then hopefully here in the next few hours we will get the power trowel and we'll start running over that with it. It's kind of a cold day, and so it's not setting really quickly, but it's getting close to be able to power trowel it. And that's just a little power trowel that we bought off of Amazon, I think for $1,200 or so. So yeah, hopefully in the next little bit, hopefully the camera has enough battery life to time lapse us going over and power troweling everything. But yeah, so far everything's looking pretty good. We've had a few of the forms bow a little bit, but overall it's looking pretty good.